Ambience Air was founded in 2003 on the basis of outstanding customer service, innovative solutions and exceptional product quality. Now as Perth's leading residential and light commercial air conditioning company, Ambience Air is the state's largest supplier of Panasonic, Fujitsu, Samsung, Breeze Air, Braemar and Cool Air conditioning equipment and Advantage Air components. Even the Australian leaders in some cases. Highly decorated with industry awards, Ambience Air is a market leader in home air conditioning. See one of 6 showrooms, soon to be 8, across the Greater Perth metropolitan area, or see ambienceair.com.